Hey guys, and today we're going to be showing you how to install and take out a graphics card. So let's go ahead and take out the graphics card first. So you need to get this blue thing here, pop it open like that, and then you've got that released. So all you need to do now is grab any part of it, like so, carefully. Push it up while wiggling it, not that way, sideways, and now you've got your graphics card out. Now how to install it is a bit more tricky. Firstly, you need to slide it through here, align it with the graphics slot in here, slowly put pressure until you feel it's not on anymore. It can't go in anymore. Now, once it looks like that, shut it. It's now installed. That's how to install a graphics card into your Dell Optiplex.